much for joining. Today we're going over a classic twist off of Farmhouse. It's a really fun song. This should be a relatively short lesson. We're going to go with the power chord style. I kind of like the way that works out. It's very easy, and if you haven't played power chords before, it's a good excuse to learn some of them. So we're going to go through those chords and the progression, and I'll show you a little bit here, just very basic structure of that, very basic lead structure. So we'll just go over that briefly as well. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Let's hop in. All right, guys, so twist is 4 chords. We've got a G, an F, a C, and a D. And the way I'm playing these, we're going to play a little power chord style here. So for the G, so all these chords only use 3 fingers, which is nice. So index finger here, first fret of that. So index finger, 3rd fret of that first string, the low E. Ring finger is going to be on the 5th of the A, and pinky is on the 5th of the D. And that's going to be your G. And for this song, you're going to hit that root note first. So, and then you'll just hit that root note, and then the A and the D. So we take that same shape. Now we're going to move it up and over. So now your index finger is going to be here on the 1st fret of the A. Ring is on the 3rd fret of the D, and pinky is on the 3rd fret of the G. And that's your F. So, and then from here, keep that same shape. Just going to move it down 2 frets here. So now your index is on the 3rd. That's your C. And move it down 1 more time. And there's your D. So. So you do that 4 times, and then you come back to the C, F, so again, it's a very, like I said, it's a very simple song. I mean, you know, the basic structure of the song is very simple. And it's just, you just play that, you know, over and over. Alright, so after you play through the chords for a little bit there, if you're playing along with this song, you'll hear they kind of go into a little bit of a lead passage. And this is just, again, very loose here. So I think they're doing that during the, you know, wouldn't twist around that way part. So what I'm doing here, just on the 5th fret here of that G, going to the 3rd of the G, then we're going over to the D here, so we're going to pull off 5th fret to the 3rd, back on to the 5th, and then we're going to kind of finish that off here with the 8th fret of the B, which is your G. So. And then you just go back into your. So you can really play around in there a lot. And if you play along with the studio version, you can have a lot of fun playing in this little area here. So then one other piece of the lead that you'll hear after they're done with the singing on that song. And again, like you can stay just in this area and play along with that song the entire time. It's a lot of fun to play with, so I highly recommend doing that. What I was just doing there. So again, starting here on that 5th fret of the G, and bending up to the 7th, so bending up to a D. So if you're working on bending and you're trying to get to the right note, one way you can do that. So bending up to that full step, bending to a D, you can just slide down to hear it. So. All right, anyway. So we're bending here, coming back here to rest, pulling off. Then we're going to go to that to the D. So the same thing we did a little bit earlier, that pull off hammer, coming back to the 3rd fret here, that G. So. And then. So again, you're really just playing just kind of in that pentatonic scale there. And really, that's it. You get it from a very, very loose, structure for this tune, and for this video as well. But that will definitely give you the gist of Twist. So I hope this helps. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and I will see you guys again soon.